What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony, aka Barry Groove, and welcome back to Dance with VS, Versastyle's online street dance tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning whacking, specifically posing. Let's get started.
Perfect.
All right, let's get started. Let's learn some poses. But if this is your first time joining us, feel free to click the link above with my previous whacking videos if you want to learn some of those movements. But let's get back to poses. So poses, it's in the title. We're creating an image, really diving into whatever character we chose for whacking, but we're creating an image, boom, within the dance, yeah? So you could take this in many different directions, but today what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pose to our right, we're gonna pose to our left, and then we're gonna pose to the front, yeah? Just kind of giving us just a base of what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna pose for an 8 count each. We're gonna pose to our right, again, to our left, and to the front. Today, I'm gonna be using the character of a supermodel, but it's up to you to choose whatever character you want. Like I said, it's limitless. You can go many different ways with it. You could either choose to follow me, or you can use your own character while you're following me with the movement, yeah? So, let's start off to our right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Really diving into that character, really creating those poses and really making them a point and really strong, yeah? So let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Also making sure that our body and that image is nice and strong, but also not forgetting our face. That's really, really important. You really want that image to be a full image. You don't want to have a nice strong pose, but then your face doesn't match your whole body, right? So let's make sure that the whole body is included when you're doing these poses. Yeah? Let's try one more time. Right, left, forward, and then we'll try it with some music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? All right. Now, let's try it with some music. All right. So, we're going to go into some posing with some music. So, what we're going to do, to remind us, we're going to go to our right for an 8 count, left for an 8 count, forward for an 8 count. And then right after that, I'm going to freestyle some poses. Feel free to follow along, and let's have some fun. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, thanks for joining me today, you guys. I hope you guys had fun dancing with me. So, just a couple reminders on posing. We want to make sure that our full body is incorporated, and we're also including our face. We really want to make sure that image is nice and strong and nice and clear to our audiences, yeah? Also, big shout out to Hueville Studios for providing the space. If you want more information on them, make sure to look at the description below. And if you want more information on Versastyle, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at VersastyleLA. And if you want more information on moi, you can find me on Instagram at BarryGroove92. Peace.